Today we're going to speak about FSLogix Office container support within Nerdio Manager for Enterprise. Nerdio Manager for Enterprise has supported FSLogix standard containers for a number of releases. However, we have had customer requests to support the Office container component, and that's now available for administrators to configure. This can be accessed from the Integrations FSLogix Profile Storage menu, and if I select to add a new one, we can specify a name, specify our location for our standard VHD, and additionally specify our location for our Office container VHD. This can be useful if administrators have a need to separate these components, for example, if they wish to be stored on separate file shares, or in the event that administrators desire to restore user profile settings separately to Office settings, which can simplify and speed up the recovery process. I hope this video has been useful. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again.